Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Diploma in Refrigeration Air Conditioning Technology 1-year course. Advance your existing skill set and broaden your employment opportunities with this advanced course in air conditioning and refrigeration engineering. Course delivery method: blended, regular, online, distance learning. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.